To apply creasing in Blender, usually you just select an edge, press Shift E, and then control the crease level with your mouse. Or you can also type in values like 0.5, and now I have exactly half creasing. However, for most situations, I prefer full creasing or no creasing at all, and an easy way of applying it. So as usual, I made a script to do this. And the way it works is we select some faces, for instance, and press Shift+. So in face mode, Shift+ is going to crease only the border. And let's actually select this as well. Shift+. And now I can use my destructive subdivision script afterwards. So Control D, and maybe once more. So now that I have this result and I have nothing selected, Shift- will do the opposite. It's going to remove creasing for my entire mesh. Alternatively, you can select a very specific loop and press Shift- to uncrease only that. But in my case, I want it all gone. So I can now use all of this extra geometry to model some more detail. Something like this, select adjacent, connect. So I'm using all of my scripts here. So really, it's just about adding extra resolution to your mesh while still maintaining some sort of control over the original shape.